Okay, so this is an iMac G5, 1.6 gigahertz. I think it's a 2004. This is a repurpose kind of project thing, so I'm trying to figure out or troubleshoot where exactly the sound is coming from and how to fix it. So you can see that the iTunes visualizer is playing, because that's a fairly processor intensive task, and it's pretty much guaranteed to kick the fans on. And I just have the volume set fairly lowly. So just, on 2 or 3 level. And you can hear the fans running. And from what I can tell, now that the back is off, this fan here and this fan here don't seem to be causing the problem. But this guy, this is the source of the noise right here. And I have cleaned that chimney out. So, and there wasn't any dust that flew out of it. So I don't know if it's dirt but this part here is this is really, really hot right here. I'm not sure what part this is, so I'm going to have to go look at a take-apart diagram to figure out what this is. But right here is really where it's really hot. And listen as I put my hand over this. If I block this sound, this is what happens when the back is on it. And after this has been closed up for so long, the pitch of it gets higher and higher, and louder and louder. So having the back on and running it is a slight improvement, but not much. So I have to figure out what part this is, and why does it get hot 2 minutes into being boot, and how can I control it? Or what do I need to do to repair it? This kind of stuff has screws and I can take it apart, and I tried reseating it. I even tried taking a look at the adhesive that's under here. You can kind of almost see it poking out there a little bit. It's like a spongy adhesive underneath the perimeter of this. I thought, well, maybe it's not seated right because the sponge adhesive had become compacted over time. So I thought, oh, just for giggles, I chewed up some gum and I actually lined this area with some chewing gum to make it stick better. I thought, it works for MacGyver, maybe it'll work for me. This is an experiment, so nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? So you can hear it getting progressively hotter and louder. What is it in there? It's causing all this noise. Well, time to investigate. Do some research.